Hey everybody! Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the one and only PUFFCO Peak Lightning Edition. So let's give it an open. It says, the PUFFCO Peak is a revolutionary platform for concentrate consumption. This device unlocks the true power of concentrates, providing the clearest expression of the potency, flavor, and effects of the plant they're derived from. Ooh, exciting. So we open it up. It says, you get out what you put in. It has the awesome welcoming message inside. It comes in this awesome protective carrying case. Also came with some little cards in there. This was just saying how they're the High Times awarded brand, and an instruction manual. Now we open our case. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Has this cool lightning tie-dye with like the silicone rubber, so it's like easy to grip and so smooth. They got the glass chamber, our Q-tips, our carb cap, and our tether. It's a cool lightning silicone tether. We have our dabbing tool. And over here, this opens up. We have our ceramic bowl, our extra ceramic bowl, and our charger. And you just apply this onto the base, like so. Don't force it, but gently push it in there. And there it is. This is our PUFFCO Peak. We'll put our little carb cap on there. Ta-da! It's our complete rig setup. And it doesn't come pre-charged. It takes about 2.5 hours for your PUFFCO Peak to get its first charge. So now that I've done unboxing, I'm going to charge my PUFFCO and I'll give it a try and show you guys how it works later. Thank you guys for tuning into my video, and thank you PUFFCO Peak for this awesome device. Thanks guys. Have a great day.